Hello, today I am going to demonstrate you how I created this logo. I will try to explain every single thing step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm inside Illustrator and working with RGB document. So first keep this logo on the right side and go to the layer panel. Let's increase the size of the thumbnail. I'm going with 80. Now first select the rectangle, click it on the artboard, give it width 86 and height around 6 pixels. Select the move tool. V is the shortcut. Press enter. Make all the values 0. Click on the preview now. Move it vertically around 12 pixels. Click on copy to copy this rectangle shape. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate it 4 more times. So we have 6 copies. We can change the color other than black. Press Ctrl G to group them. Now go to the effect, warp and flag. Blend, change it to 30 pixel and distort it horizontally minus 60 pixel. Press OK. Now open the symbol panel. You will find it inside window. Here it is. I've already opened it. Now drag it on the symbol panel. Rename it anything. I'm calling it line. Press OK. Move this symbol over here. Now we have to create a bag icon. Select the rectangle tool again. Click on the artboard. Create it to 44 by 234. Select left anchor point and move it around 30 pixel. Move it inside 30 pixel. And do same for the right anchor point. Move it 30 pixel inside. Select all of the anchor points and round them around 18 pixel or so. I'm going with 16 pixel. Change the color to something else. Take the line tool, create it on the center. Select both of them and make the bag icon key object and align it center. Select the bag icon and create a copy so we can keep it as a backup. Now select bag icon and line shape, and with the help of shape builder tool, hold Alt to remove left side. Remove line. Now select the bag icon again, go to the effect, 3D, revolve. Change position to front and click on preview. Now click on the map art and find the front surface. Click on this next surface arrow to change it. So fourth is the one which we are looking for. Now click on the invisible geometry and add our line shapes which we created earlier. Move it on the right side. This is the front of the bag where we have to place our artwork. Scale it. Now play with it and adjust the shape according to your liking. I'm happy with it. Press OK. Now you can also play with the axis if you like. I'm leaving them as it is. Press OK. Now select the shape, go to the object, expand appearances. Select it, press Ctrl Shift G, ungroup it many times. There are lots of nested groups here. Now select it, Ctrl G to group them in single group. Double click on it, select one of the shape. With the direct selection tool, select one of the shape and click on this icon to select similar. Ctrl X to cut it and select everything and delete it. Now Ctrl F to paste it. Now we have our shapes in front of us and select this line, cut it and move it over here. Ctrl J to join it. Or you could go object path join. Select the back and create its copy. Shrink it a little bit. Select all of them and with the help of Shape Builder tool, remove what we have. Right, so we have straight edges over here. Remove this back shape. Now we have to apply our color. I have already prepared our color. Let me show you in the full screen view so you could see its hex code clearly. Ctrl X to cut it and Ctrl V to paste it over here. Now apply a gradient. I'm going to show you on one of the shape. I'll have to follow the same thing on the other remaining pieces as well. I want to darken this blue a little bit more. Darken and saturated as well. Now it's time to create our back shapes. So this is how you have to create all other shapes. And this is created a little bit more. Now we have to create the handles. So select the ellipse tool and create it here. Select this anchor point and delete it. Shift X to swap the color from fill to stroke and apply 10 pixel stroke. Now select this stroke and apply a gradient. Create a circle 20 by 20 pixel. Make it white. Click on this icon to apply solid color. Ctrl Y to jump on outline mode. Create a rectangle over here, and rotate it from here. Select a black and white gradient, change opacity to white color, completely 0. Reduce opacity around 24 pixel. Control X to cut it and select this shape, and Control B to paste it. Change its size around 22 pixel. Make sure the reference point is on center. Increase size around 22 pixel. Control C to copy, Control F to paste it, and apply a green gradient over here. Gradient should be radial. Reverse it and adjust the gradient. Select this thing, Control G to crop it and place it over here as well. Like this and move it a little bit away. Control C to copy this handle, Control B to paste it and stretch it a little bit. Now change this gradient to these colors. Now select ellipse tool. Select all of these shapes. Control C to copy it. Apply a white fill color on this shape. Solid white color. Double click on it. Control F to paste it. Go to the object. Make it a compound shape. Control X. Select both of these shapes. Now select with the shape builder tool and remove left side. Now this shape is individual. Now apply a white color, solid white color, and decrease opacity around. Make it soft light and decrease opacity around 30 pixel. Delete this. We can create long shadow here as well. Adjust the gradient and decrease opacity around 40 pixel. Now select this text and apply it over here. Select the back shape and Control G to group it. Select rotate tool R and rotate it 15 pixel. So this is how I created this logo. I hope I am able to explain every single steps. If you have any queries in any of the areas, you can ask me in comment box. And guys, if you learn something, don't forget to like the video, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel so this channel can grow. Thanks for your time.